The National Weather Service in Hastings has issued a tornado warning for western Jewell County in north-central Kansas, northwestern Mitchell County in north-central Kansas, northeastern Osborne County in north-central Kansas, southeastern Smith County in north-central Kansas, until 12:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time at 12:04 p.m. Central Daylight Time. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located 5 miles south of Osborne, or 30 miles west of Beloit, and moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Downs, Cawker City, Ionia, Esbon, Burr, and Mankato. This tornado warning replaces the severe thunderstorm warning that was in effect for the same area